Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about TUXEDO world's first Linux based laptop to feature AMD Ryzen 8040 APUs and RDNA 3D GPU. So friend, TUXEDO has unveiled the world's first laptop featuring AMD Ryzen 8040 Hawk Point APUs and Linux OS loaded default. And friend, Tuxedo Computers has unveiled instead the world's first Linux laptop featuring AMD's latest Ryzen 8040 APUs and an RDNA 3 dedicated mobile GPU, hence showing an exciting choice of components. And to make top it all off, the laptop features Linux OS and has installed Linux by default, making it an appeal option when considering its distinctive elements. And friend, TUXEDO's latest Series 16 Gen 2 gaming laptop is called the company's binary star, and it is indeed true given that the Series 16 shines brightly in its segments. The laptop's AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor is on board with an 8C 16T configuration, a boost clock of up to 5.1 GHz and a 45-watt TDP. The processor shows impressive performance, giving Intel's Core i9-13900H head-to-head competition. Regarding generational improvements, the Ryzen 7 8845HS looks like a replica of its falling counterpart, the AMD Ryzen 7 8040HS. And friend, the Series 16 Gen 2 comes with its own dedicated mobile GPU, none other than the AMD Radeon RX 76MXT, which is based on the Navi 33 RDNA 3 graphics core and features a total of 32 compute units, 2048 shader units, 32 MB of infinity cache, 8 GB GDDR6 memory running across a 128-bit wide bus interface, and maximum clock speed of 2615 MHz. And friend, for other specifications, the laptops come with a 16.1-inch 2K 165Hz display, a large 80-hour battery, up to whopping 96 DDR5 5200 memory, and a 8 TB PCIe 4.0 storage. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.